Today we are in Ljubljana, Slovenia, flying to Vienna. We are in PIPER CHEYENNE IIIA, nice and cool turboprop equipped with Pratt & Whitney PT6 engines. One last thing to do is to inflate the tires. Okay, I'm here today with Julia. Pumping the tire and go.
Right, taking off. 1800 ставим.
Rotated 105.
We are on VFR flight and I'm playing because the clouds seem to be lower there and we thought we climb over.
Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin Fechenko, KFEAvia. Today we are in Ljubljana, Slovenia, flying to Vienna. We are in PIPER CHEYENNE IIIA, nice and cool turboprop equipped with Pratt & Whitney PT6 engines, cruising at about 240 knots. Brakes off, which is true. Now brakes are on. Let's have a look. Battery master. Voltage is good. The fuel is good. Annunciator test. All lights work. Fuel flow. Hey, stop. I know it will stop when we start running the engine. Update the GPS and go. You plug it in. Hit download, hit transfer. Wait half an hour because the speed of writing is tremendous. It's like ages old card. I don't even know what the speed it has. And now take it out, plug it back in, power on, and avionic 1 on. Perfect. Mission completed, but you have to have at least half an hour for this procedure. Avionics off, battery off. Walk around, spiders cleaning, we'll check the oil and the rest. Check the oil. Swing the prop to make sure it's rotating freely. Save the spiders, of course. Checking intakes. Landing gear bay. Flight controls. Static ports. Static wicks. 7 seats and this is the lavatory actually. And here you have a kind of a mini bar, rubbish tray, and the door. For privacy, you need to use the toilet. This aeroplane is consuming, as you can guess, Jet A1 fuel, which is available everywhere. This is a pressurized aeroplane. You can fly up to levels 3 something, but this aeroplane is not RVSM certified, so the higher level is 280. You can climb, of course, above RVSM 410, but not in this one. I'm here today with Julia. She will be helping with checklists and stuff, pumping the tire and go. Okay, voila. Finally we can go. Today. Much better now. Доведения, на свидание.
До свидания.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. Good luck.
Bye guys. Reset the fuel meter. Parking brake. Complete. Parking brake set. Choke removed. Entrance door secure.
Emergency window.
On. Not required. Beacon is on. Leader is off. Off. Receive. Battery master on. Circuit breakers left side check. Check. Stroll recognition system. Check. Gear lights 3 greens. Check. Close. Open, sorry, down here. Fuel pump auto on. Checked. Start and right. Check. Ignition manual. Clear. Start and right. Ready. Starter engaged. 8. Fuel on. 8 to 11. Same. Fuel flow. ITT. N1. Generator. Gen. Charging started. Generator started, yes. Low idle, okay. Ignition light is off. Second engine left. Second engine. Auto on. Manual. Start and left is clear. Well, fuel on. Fuel flow. ITT. N1. Starter cut out. Roll back, oil pressure check. Starters disengaged. Ignition no. Ignition off. Oil pressure checked. Generators both on.
TAWS system test. Okay.
Battery master verify on.
Is done.
Inverter switch 1 or 2.
Checked. Selected.
Avionic power switches rather an altimeter.
Check. All check. 1013. Your side 1013.
Pre-air switches.
Radar switches. Norm.
ECS.
ECS on. Ground, ну я on ставлю
Да,
уже можно.
temperature control. Suction gauge.
Suction gauge is here too, checked in green.
Okay, gyro.
Gyro checked. My side, your side.
My side.
Check.
Yeah. Propeller levers.
Prop levers full forward.
Flaps up and verify.
Verified.
Lights interior exteriors required. Seat belts.
At seat belt. My side set and your side.
Yeah. VFR electric trim.
Autopilot electric trim. Electric trim working. Autopilot heading.
Radius taxi cool.
Heading autopilot engaged. Working. Autopilot checked. Requesting taxi.
Report requested exit point from control zone Ljubljana.
Stand by shortly. We will leave via November Echo.
Roger. Taxi Tango Alpha to Foxtrot.
Tango Alpha Foxtrot. We will be ready from Foxtrot. Okay, left side is clear.
Так, right side is clear.
Check. Parking brake off.
Okay.
My brakes check. Check your brake.
My. Так.
Will be to our left. Right free, left
Right
free.
clear.
Reverse check. Checked.
Taxi brakes check. Prop reverse lockout.
Checked.
Prop feathering.
Prop feathering. Так вот. Check. check.
Flight
Whether-
instruments set in check.
Set and checked. I will need to do the run up as well. Okay, fuel pump normal.
Fuel pump after.
Out,
Bleed air normal.
Lead air
Prop
normal.
synchronizer off.
Prop synchronizer is off.
After feather arm.
Auto feather armed.
Flaps set as required.
Set. Flaps up.
Okay. Crew sensor.
Your sensor
Flaps
light
up.
is off.
Okay. Prop levers fully forward.
Forward.
ESCS selector.
Is on.
ESCS ground annunciator. Extinguished.
Extinguished, да.
Flight controls.
Light controls full and free.
Free engine gauges.
Engine gauges checked.
Flight instruments.
Light instrument set.
Warning and caution lights.
No lights.
Quadrant fiction.
Is okay.
Autopilot yaw damper off.
Autopilot yaw damper is off.
Trims.
Trim set.
Elevator takeoff
Takeoff.
range. Rudder unit nose right. Aileron neutral. Seats and harness. Takeoff emergency brief.
Emergency brief. Let's see pilot flying. We depart with flaps up. Speed will be, rotation speed will be 98. Ready.
Runway 12, 1 Foxtrot, clear for takeoff. Wind 120 degrees 4 knots. After departure, left to November Echo 1000 AGL. Squawk 7010.
7010 cleared for takeoff. Runway 30. A left turn.
Negative, you're clear for takeoff for runway 12. And after departure, left to 1000 feet above ground level.
Perfect. Cleared for takeoff. Runway 12. Left turn to November Echo 1000 feet AGL.
Strobes ignition.
Strobes ignitions auto.
Pitot stall wings screen.
All set.
Headache indicators. Prop levers fully forward.
Fully forward.
Power levers maximum continuous power.
Power levers maximum power. Taking off ready.
Auto feather arm light. Torque and ITT.
Auto
with lift.
feather right.
Ready.
Taking off. 1800 ставим.
Rotated 105. 1800 поставить?
Не, я ставлю.
Ага.
Ну 1900, до 2 можно.
Okay.
Airspeed alive.
Alive.
V1. Rotate. Вот это стол в этом случае. Gear up.
Gear up. Gear up.
Klagenfurt, hello. 6,500 feet, 1013, approaching Dipsa point. Next will be transit through Graz CTR, if you could coordinate that for us. We are on VFR flight and I'm playing because the clouds seem to be lower there and we thought we climb over, and now it seems to be that they are higher here, so yeah, it's probably better to stay below these clouds, so something like this.
again, 600 feet below.
Our cockpit will maintain 3,100 feet.
You have traffic, 10 o'clock, 2 miles, proceeding to the west, 700 correction, 500 feet below.
Cockpit. Approaching Movos and changing to Bad Voslau.
Okay, goodbye.
Auf Wiedersehen, thanks for your assistance, bye. We are 3,100 feet, 1014. We are approaching point Movos. Is it proceed straight in visually to 31 left, or we have to go to Golf Point?
Our running news is 31, QNH 1013. Are you doing the Movos approach or VFR?
VFR.
The entry is via either Golf or Sarah.
Okay, this cockpit, any chance we can do then RNP Alpha via Movos?
RP Alpha approach, it's straight in via Echo.
Via Echo is fine. Check gear down.
Down.
Oscar KFEAvia Kulima, put for kilo, 1800 Fuß.
Nice.
Oscar Delta Echo, startet von der 3 rechts in der Platzrunde Charlie.
Bad Voslau, thank you for watching this video. Konstantin Fichenko, KFEAvia Aviation Sales Passenger and Cargo Charters, Julia, and our Piper Cheyenne III. Bye bye.